Hey there, fellow property owners. Welcome to our quick guide on how to list a property on Vrbo in 2025. If you're eager to turn your space into a profitable vacation rental, you're in the right spot. Vrbo has made some exciting updates this year, like enhanced AI tools for smarter listings, so let's dive right in and get you set up step by step. First off, start by creating a Vrbo account. Head to the Vrbo website, click on Sign Up, and enter your details like email and password. If you already have an account, just log in, it's that simple. Once you're in, navigate to the Host dashboard to access all the hosting features. Next, it's time to add your property. Click on List Your Property, and fill in the basics. Property type, exact location, size, and how many guests it can accommodate. Be detailed here. Think about what makes your place unique, like ocean views or a cozy fireplace. Now, for the visual appeal, upload high-quality photos and videos. Vrbo's 2025 updates include easy editing tools, so spruce up your images to make them pop. This step is crucial because great visuals can boost your bookings by up to 30%. Moving on, set your pricing and availability. Use Vrbo's smart pricing calculator, which now factors in 2025 trends like seasonal demand and local events. You can also add rules, such as minimum stay lengths or blackout dates, to protect your schedule. Finally, review your listing for any errors, read through the generated AI summary if available, and hit Publish. You're live. Keep an eye on inquiries and manage bookings through the dashboard. A quick tip for 2025. Leverage Vrbo's new AI features for personalized guest recommendations and always respond quickly to messages to maintain high ratings. There you have it. Listing your property is easier than ever. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.